Hi, good morning. Today I want to show you we can bypass your common problem in Mercedes S-Class, C-Class, and that's the code coming P2513 M55 inlet port shut off motor. That's the common problem. The motor is downside there, is opening the flappers both sides of the intake manifold. So if you have any problem like that code P2513 M55 inlet port shut off, motor faulty or signal failure, so you have to bring the car to us so we can do bypass in 1.5 hours, and no need to change the motor, and your problem will 100% solve. So if you have my help, you can call anytime 0740 2536382, Mr. Terry. You can ask about that, and we can solve your issue in 1.5 hours. Take a cup of coffee and then your car will be ready. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Henworth Road. So if you have any problem, you can call anytime. We can repairs ECUs, we can bypass anything airbag related to the things, and you want to do reset crash data, anything you can ask. So today I am sure you this is the problem, common problem, so we can solve your issue if you bring the car to us, and we can solve your issue in 1.5 hours. You can contact us. Thank you, take care, bye.